Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add more camera filters on Instagram stories. Further, we need to click on Instagram account and I was clicking on camera. So here I was clicking on camera, I was choosing camera. So here you can see we have different types of filters. So if you add more filters means just swipe it and here we need to search. So here you will see the different types of filters. It will appear here. So I was choosing this filter and as here you will see the uh, save option here. Click on that save. Here you will see the save option. We need to click on save effect and again I was swiping and I was clicking searching the new and trending filters. So like this you can see different types of filters. I was clicking this filter and here you will see the symbol of save. Wait, so here we need to click. So again I was saving the filter. Like this we can save 50 plus filters on your Instagram account. Thank you.